Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to find your strongest vibration within the Sirius program. It's fun and exciting, and then you can get the interpretation of that vibration from the Mastering the 360 Vibration Charts that I wrote, and we're selling it as an ebook. It's very easy to purchase, and you can either read it from your phone or your computer. Okay, all right, so today I'm going to show you today's chart just for an example. All right, so we click on new here and we click on current transit chart, quick select. Okay, it automatically gives us the chart for today. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is to find what is the strongest vibration on this chart. There are two ways to do this. You click on listings. You can click on this or click on this icon here, listings, and then click on harmonic pattern listings. Okay, there are so many to choose from on this window. Let's select this number 1 and then we click on OK. Okay, now it will give us the list of the possible strongest vibrations on this chart. Now, it shows you the first 4 planet conjunctions harmonic charts in here. And then the next one is the 3 planets conjunctions aspects in here. Okay, now to locate the strongest vibration on this list, look for the capital letters and a smallest orb. So this is the orb, and these are the capital letters aspect planets combinations in here. This is the planetary pattern. So in this chart for today, the strongest one is the 26 vibration. That is a 7 degree in here. And we scroll down here. This is 8. So far that is okay. There's also 124 in here. Right here, 124. And if we scroll down here, we see 142. Oh, 142 is very, very strong. This is 6 degrees. Okay. So we know it's 142 and 26. Now we will look at this chart for this specific vibration. So we'll look at the vibration chart for this. Okay. So we click on this harmonic icon and then click on harmonic / vibrational chart, and we put 126 and 142. Okay, all right, and we click on OK. Okay, so this is, oops, I'm sorry, it's not 126, it was 26. Okay, so let me put 26. I'm sorry, I made that mistake. So click on you. It's okay to make mistake, and you just click on this harmonic button in the harmonic vibrational chart, and we put 26 in here, and we click on OK. So this is the on the listings that we have the okay, on this listing we have on the 26 vibration we have Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Uranus. Okay, so let's look at the 26 vibe chart. So we have Mercury. Okay, here it is. It's right here. Very, very strong. Okay, and then the other way to find your strongest vibration in your chart is, I will show this to you, and you click in here on your natal chart, and you click on interpretation, you click on profile scores, and then you click on the strongest harmonics 1 to 360, and then you click on OK. Okay, it will give us the list as well. Since it takes a little while, but it will eventually give it to us. There you go. Okay, so we'll scroll down. It gives you the sequential list of first harmonic to I believe 360 over here. Okay, but it gives you the sorted value, which is the strongest. Okay, so the strongest in here is 142. It's 142. So we will look at, we also have the 283 and we have 26 in here. So this is the 142 on that list. We have 6 degrees orb. Okay, so the score is 577. So let's look at 126 here. Okay, 142. And there you go. There it is. You can see it here. So it's very, very easy. Now you need to know the meaning of 26 and 142. And on my book, Mastering the 360 Vibration, it's on page 30. The 26 vibe chart is characterized by a deep, often burning inner drive to excel, achieve, and align with greatness. It carries a sense of urgency to break through limitations, both internal and external, and reach higher levels of performance, recognition, and personal mastery. Okay, the core theme of 26 Vibrations centers on the focused inner ambition. It embodies a powerful yet often understated desire to break through to new levels of success and excellence. This vibration is deeply drawn to individuals who embody vision, talent, and strong motivational energy. Okay, so that is the 26 vibration. If we look at the 26 vibration chart in here, 26 vibration, yes, these are all part of that. The Uranus, the Venus, the Mercury, the Jupiter, Mars, Moon, all combined together in here. The drive to break through, innovation, and everything. Okay, now let's look at 142. Okay, so 142, you just when you go to that Mastering 360, just simply search for 142 vibe from the search area. So click on File and click on Search and look for 142 vibe. Okay, it is on page 131 through 132. Okay, so the 142 vibe reflects a deep to synthesize insight, transformation, and expansive vision into clear communication and progressive action. It carries along mental focus and a desire to express identity through thoughtful, purposeful words and ideas. It blends philosophical depth, rational awareness, and aesthetic sensitivity with emotional intensity and the courage to push for authenticity. There is a focus, very important, on originality, resistance to conformity, and a future-oriented mindset rooted in the vision and truth. Yeah, at its core, the 142 vibe is a bold, emotionally driven force for change. It combines relational sensitivity, deep perception, and visionary willpower. Okay. On this book, you will also see possible career and how to face possible challenges, and will give you guidance. It's really an excellent book. You can purchase it from astrosoftware.com and then click on purchase and you will see it there listed. Okay. All right. So this is how you locate your strongest vibration. Okay. I hope this helps and you have a wonderful time. You take care. I will see you more on my next videos. Okay. Bye-bye.